What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter on your Chevy Blazer. Let's get to it. So behind me is our 2023 Chevy Blazer. We've owned it since new. I never replaced the cabin air filter in it, so I thought it'd be about time and thought, why not make a video? So this is the Bosch cabin air filter that we purchased off Amazon. Link's going to be down in the description. Make sure to pick one up if you are also going to do your job, but the Bosch one, HEPA certified, should be a nice one, very close to OEM or better. So let's go ahead and hop in the inside. It's in the passenger side, behind the glove box. So let's go there and see what we got to do to take this out. Let's get to it. So as I mentioned, we're in the passenger side of the vehicle now, and it is behind the glove box. So we can just go ahead and pop down the glove box. And then there is going to be this piece right here. It's like the little hydraulic that makes it so that way it has a soft close and open. So what you want to do is just lift up on the glove box a little bit and just push it out to the side. It just snaps off, and then now it's held in by the retainers that have to be pushed in on both sides of the glove box, so that way it can be swung down. So push it in. This is the little bump stop retainer. Now the glove box can swing fully down, and if you want, you can actually just take it on out. Now with the glove box out, and you can see the cabin air filter cover right there. So the cover is going to be held on by that torque screw. I believe it's a torque 20. We just go ahead and remove that torque 20. Let's go ahead and do that now. Be sure to hold on to it so you don't lose it. After that, then we just need to remove the cover. There's a clip on each side, passenger side, so you just push in like that, and then you can go ahead and remove that cover. So now that we can see our factory one right here, so this is AC Delco, you can see that it is upside down, and also the airflow arrows are pointing upwards, which is the airflow towards the vents from the blower. So what you want to do is just go ahead and pull this out. You'll probably have stuff all over it. Looks like something was living in ours. That's cool. So I'm just going to remove that, pull this out, whatever was making a home in here. It's weird because I don't see any poop. I'm sure it's a mouse. Okay, so I reached my hand in there just to make sure I got it all. I could feel the top of the blower right here. And then going up, I didn't feel any more stuff up there. So hopefully you don't run into a mouse nest or whatever this was like I did. But what we can do is go ahead and take our replacement here, put it in there. And again, airflow points upwards. We take our cover, we put it back on. Made that nice snap. And take our torque. I'm going to screw that back in, and then we can put our glove box back in. So I just put it into the grooves, lining this clip up for the plunger. Just push it in. You can just push the glove box in, and it'll push past the clips that prevent it from going down too far. And there you go. Now it's replaced, and your glove box put back in. Well, there we go. We fully replaced the factory cabin filter, what's left of it, and took out a bunch of, looks like insulation and other types of things. It's kind of gross, probably shouldn't be holding it, but yeah, it is what it is. So if you need to pick up a new one, pick it up off of our Amazon store right below. The link is in the description. And then also check my other videos. We got other videos about the Blazer, like windshield wipers and a few other things. And yeah, subscribe to my channel. There'll be more content coming out all the time. So yeah, see you guys next time.